Natural disaster insurance is a type of insurance that provides protection against financial losses caused by natural disasters. Natural disasters are events or series of events caused by nature, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, floods, droughts, hurricanes, and landslides. The purpose of natural disaster insurance is to provide financial protection to policyholders from losses caused by natural disasters. This insurance can help policyholders cover the costs of repairing or replacing property damaged or lost due to natural disasters. There are different types of natural disaster insurance available, depending on the type of property or asset you want to protect. The most common natural disaster insurance is property insurance, which protects a home, business, or other property from damage resulting from a natural disaster. Natural disaster insurance can also include vehicle insurance, which protects cars or other vehicles from damage due to natural disasters. Travel insurance may also include protection against losses caused by natural disasters, such as flight delays or cancellations. In Indonesia, natural disaster insurance is regulated by the Financial Services Authority, OJK. OJK sets standards for natural disaster insurance, including requirements for coverage and premiums. Here are some of the benefits of having natural disaster insurance. Provides financial protection from losses caused by natural disasters. Helps policyholders cover the costs of repairing or replacing damaged or lost property. Helping policyholders to restore their lives after natural disasters. Here are some tips for choosing natural disaster insurance. Compare quotes from different insurance companies. Make sure the insurance coverage suits your needs. Read the insurance policy carefully before signing it. Natural disaster insurance is an important way to protect yourself from financial losses caused by natural disasters. By having natural disaster insurance, you can help ensure that you have the resources you need to restore your life after a disaster.